In this video, we want to install Angular because it's the framework that our mobile application will be built on together with the Ionic framework as well. Right now, for us to install Angular, we are going to do that using the command line interface. That is the Angular CLI. So let's go to our browser. Then we type angular.io. Now this contains the official documentation on how to install and also how to use Angular. Now here it says one framework both for mobile and desktop. Now what we are going to do, the first thing is to click on this get started button so we can see how to install the CLI, because most of the things we are going to be doing with Angular will be done through the CLI. That is, if we want to create components, we want to create directives, and we want to create pipes, we are going to do all of that through the CLI. So we'll click on this get started. Here you can go through this so you see how to set up the CLI and also create your first Angular project. If you already have Angular installed and it's not the latest version, that is the CLI, if it's not the latest version, you can also install to update to the latest version. But if you are installing for the first time, you scroll down right here, you can see the command used to install Angular CLI. And we are going to install it globally. That is, we are not just going to install it in a particular project. We are going to install it globally inside the node_modules that comes with the node version installed on our machine. So to install Angular CLI globally, we type npm install -g at angular/CLI. Now you can add at latest if you want to get the latest version. But if you are installing for the first time, it's going to install the latest version. So what I'm going to do is I'll copy this, then go to my terminal. Then I'm going to paste this here. Then I can add the at latest. So this is going to give me the latest version because I already have Angular installed. That is the CLI, but it's version 1.4.0 or so. So with this npm install, this -g is going to install the CLI globally. Then at angular/CLI, then you add this at latest. It's going to take some time, so I'll just hit enter, then pause the video. When it completes, I'll come back to it. So right now, the installation of the Angular CLI is complete. And as you can see here, the CLI version is 1.6.3 and it's added 135 other packages. But now, if you want to check the version of the CLI, say maybe you cleared this, but you want to check the version, you can type in ng-version and you hit enter. Now this is going to display the Angular CLI version. As you can see, the version is 1.6.3 and the node version is 8.9.4, which was what we installed in the previous video. So right now we have Node.js installed. We also have the Angular CLI installed. In the next video, we are going to install Ionic and Cordova frameworks as well so that we can build our mobile application.